Natural glycerin soaps are not just an ordinary hand-washing product. They are actually small miracles of nature that provide the skin with gentleness, care, and a sense of freshness. This is a beautiful street shop filled with natural soaps, essential oils, hydrosols, and similar products. When we talk about soaps, many people imagine classic hard bars that often dry out the skin and leave an unpleasant tight feeling. However, glycerin soaps are a completely different story. They are friendly to the skin because glycerin naturally retains moisture and helps the skin stay hydrated and soft. That is precisely why we say that natural glycerin soaps are an excellent choice for skincare. They are mild, gentle, and adapted to all skin types, even the most sensitive ones. Imagine a soap that not only cleanses, but also nourishes. One that does not leave a trace of dryness, but rather a silky touch. That is the philosophy of glycerin soaps, to be friendly to your skin. Their base is natural and close to the skin, free of aggressive additives and unnecessary chemicals. That is why glycerin soaps are often used to make fragrant floral arrangements in pots, decorative jars, and various ornamental shapes. Because besides nurturing, they can also serve as beautiful, fragrant decorations in your home. In this video, we will also gift you a simple recipe, because we want to show that anyone can make their own glycerin soap at home. So, stay with us. The recipe is coming soon, and it will be so practical that you will be surprised by how fun it is to make your own soap. Now we are moving on to essential oils. They are the heart of natural cosmetics and aromatherapy. Every single drop of essential oil carries the power of the plant it was extracted from. Whether it is lavender that calms, lemon that refreshes, rosemary that stimulates circulation, or eucalyptus that opens up the airways. Essential oils are not just fragrances. They are the concentrated energy of nature. When added to glycerin soaps, they not only enrich the scent, but also contribute additional benefits to the skin and mood. Imagine a soap with lavender essential oil. Every time you use it, the scent of lavender relaxes and calms you, while the glycerin takes care of your skin. Or a soap with lemon essential oil. It refreshes, boosts energy, and gives a feeling of cleanliness. It is precisely this combination of glycerin and essential oils that turns soaps into more than just a hygiene product. They become little rituals of beauty and enjoyment. And now, as promised, here is the recipe for making natural glycerin soap at home. You only need 3 ingredients: a glycerin base, an essential oil of your choice, and a food coloring of your choice. The process is simple. Melt the glycerin base over low heat or in a microwave. Add a few drops of the essential oil you love: rose, lavender, vanilla, lemon, rosemary. The choice is yours. Mix in a few drops of food coloring to give the soap the interesting shade you want. Stir everything well and pour it into a silicone mold. Leave it to cool and set. And that is all. Your natural glycerin soap is ready. If you decide to make a soap like this, we would like if you want to share your experience with us in the comments. Tell us how it turned out, which scent you chose, and if you perhaps made a floral arrangement out of the soap in a pot or a jar. At the end of the story, remember, nature gives us the very best. And when we combine glycerin and essential oils, we get a soap that is not just a cleansing tool, but a true friend to our skin. Let your daily care be gentle, fragrant, and natural, because the skin remembers every touch. And that would be all we have prepared for you for this video. If you like it, follow our YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button. By doing so, you will support our work. And through our work, we certainly support you and wish everyone good health. Warm regards.